Hello, today we'll be checking out our new plugin for the WooCommerce platform-based web stores. The plugin that we're going to show you today is the WooCommerce Order History Communication or the WooCommerce Order Comment Communication plugin. Now, basically making use of this particular plugin, the customers would be able to ask the question for their respective orders as desired. They can also upload the images for the same, and the admin of the store can respond back to their queries. So all in all, this is a communication plugin that we've created, and it facilitates the customers to ask order related queries to the admin, and the customers can contact the store owner for a particular order from the orders section. It also allows to send and receive messages along with the file attachments and keep the conversation history records. So you can see that we have the order history communication for this order number 110. So what I'll be doing is I'll be just placing one order, and then we'll be checking how this particular plugin makes the information access easier to immediately resolve the customer's concerns from the admin's end. So before we proceed further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates. And apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then kindly do give it a thumbs up. Now what I'll be doing is I'll just place one order first, and thereafter I'll be showing you the workflow there. And after this, we'll be checking out the backend configuration of this plugin and how we can set this particular order comment communication facility or the feature within your store. So here I am having this Flying Ninja product, and I've already logged into my customer account. So I'll just add it to the cart, and then we'll be making a checkout thereafter. So I've just added the product. Let's make a checkout now, and here the details are already filled. I'll just go for the cash and delivery, place order. Now you'll be able to see the order ID that we'll just receive after placing the order. So the order ID is 113. Now here are the details of the order. Now as a customer, if I find some issues or I have some queries regarding this particular order that I've just placed, maybe there are 2 products, 3 products, or multiple products as well. So what I'll do is I'll go to the orders section. I'll open the particular order by tapping here on the view or the link, and I have to just scroll down on the order history page for the customer, and here you can see that we have the order history communication. So right now we haven't communicated for this respective order, so now we can do the same, and we can also add some attachments along with it. For example, let's enter what's the shipping duration, and just be adding one attachment as well along with this comment. So I'll just tap here on the add button, and from here we'll be uploading the respective image. So for the time being, I'll just be adding one test image there, or for the demonstration purposes. And after I've added the comment, added the attachment, there's no need to add the attachment. If you want, you can also make a comment as well. I'll just tap here on the add button, and you'll see that this comment will be posted, and at the same time the web store admin would also be receiving the email notification for the same. So here you can see that we have sent what's the shipping duration, and here's the image that we have uploaded. So if I just tap on that, it would be downloaded, and the admin can check that up, and the same goes for the customer as well. So this is just a demo image that I had uploaded. Now let's add one more comment. When will I be receiving the package? Alright, and this time I won't be adding any attachment, and let's tap here on the add button thereafter. So only the order comment would be sent out. So this was the customer's end. Now let's hop onto the admin backend panel, and let's see how the admin would be able to view this order detail for the order history communication for this particular order by the customer, and how the admin can respond back to the same. So we have the order number 113. So I'll just log out of the customer account. So here I'm at the backend of the WooCommerce platform-based web store. So I'll be logging into the admin backend panel by entering my username and the password, and then I'll be directly navigating to the WooCommerce section and then order section. So after this, I'll be showing you how the admin can configure this particular plugin itself. So if I scroll down, here's the order number 113 by Peter Doe. And here on the order page, you can see on the right hand side, we have the order history communication section. What's the shipping duration? Here's the image. As an admin, I can download the image as well, and we can preview it as well. And here's the when will I be receiving the package. To respond back, you can just tap here in the add comment section, and we'll enter the details for the same. Duration is 5 days from now. Okay, if you want, you can add an attachment by tapping here and then uploading the image for the same. Otherwise, you can remove it and you can add only the comment itself. And you can see that we have just added the comment back. Duration is 5 days from now, and when I will be receiving the package in the evening as required. And let me add one attachment for the demonstration purpose. So let me add this one, and let's tap here on the add button. Now the comment is being posted and the same is being sent out to the customer there. So an email to the customer is also sent whenever the admin is making a comment here within this order history communication section for the order number 113. Now let's log out of the admin account and let's log into the customer's account once again. So I'll just log into the customer's account once again, and I'll go to my orders section. This is order number 113. I'll scroll down, and here's the message received by the customer. That's the duration is in 5 days from now, and when I will be receiving the package, I've made the comment for that in the evening as required. And the admin has uploaded an image, so we can, as a customer, check that as well. So this is just a demo image for the demonstration purpose today. So that's how the customers can basically make use of this particular WooCommerce order history communication plugin. And for any of the orders that they have placed, they can ask the questions about their doubts to the admin directly for their orders. And all of the information is being stored here for use in the later time as well. Here you can see that we have the messages as well as the files that have been uploaded by the admin or by the customer as well. And from this section, the admin can resolve any of the customer's query regarding the particular order that the customer has placed. So that was much about the workflow at the customer and the admin's end. Now let's hop on to the admin backend panel once again, and let's see how the admin can initially configure this plugin after he has successfully installed the same within his WooCommerce store. So for that, let's log on to the admin backend panel by entering the username and the password. Now after the successful installation of this particular plugin, the admin will find the order history communication tab here on the side panel, and from here he'll be able to configure the same. So to do so, just tap here in the order history communication option, and here we have the order history communication general settings, wherein we'll be able to set up the module status, whether you want to enable this functionality for your web store or not. To disable, you'll have to just choose it as disable, otherwise you can choose it as enable to have this particular functionality. Now the admin has the option to allow the order statuses, so whichever order statuses that you've added here would be used at the customer's end. And for example, if any of the orders are in the pending payment, processing, on hold, or completed, only for the ones that you have selected here would the feature of the order history communication be available for them. So for example, if I cross this out and then this order history communication, if enabled, would be applicable to the orders that have been placed by the customers and whose order status is pending payment and processing right now. So these two order statuses would only be able to make use of the order history communication there. So it depends upon your requirement, whatever you want to add here for the order status for which this particular functionality would be applicable. Then you have the send mail to the admin and the send mail to the customer options here. So if you have checked this option, then the mail would be sent out to the admin after a comment has been made by the customer, or it or the same goes for the customer end. So if you check the customer send mail to customer option, then the mail is sent out to the customer after a comment is made on the customer's query there. Lastly, you'll just have to tap here on the Save Changes button to save the initial configuration settings for the plugin itself, and now you're good to go, and the feature can be very easily used within your WooCommerce platform based web stores. So that was much about the WooCommerce order history, or the order comment communication history plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, maybe you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. You can also contact us through https://webkul.com/contact. And lastly, if you find this particular video helpful, then kindly do give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.